Good day everyone, I am Manila Batayo Herodias and today I am presenting Caselet 43 and 97. Caselet 43 entitled The Case of the Merging Companies. So the problem or situation, the two companies merge but the integration process is fraught with challenges including clashes, conflicting priorities, and employee resistance. Analysis of this situation is that in the merger of the two companies, the integration process faces significant hurdles such as internal clashes, conflicting priorities, and resistance from employees. A SWOT analysis reveals that the strengths include combined resources and market share, while weaknesses involve cultural differences and operational redundancies. Opportunities lie in expanding market presence and leveraging synergies, whereas threats include competitive pressure and potential loss of key talent. Competitive analysis shows that the merged entity will contend with strong rivals who have established market positions and robust financials. Financially, the company must address any initial integration costs and ensure stability in cash flow to maintain profitability. Develop alternative courses of action. The first one is top-down integration. Define a clear integration strategy and timeline. Establish a centralized integration team to oversee the process. Communicate the importance of integration and the benefits it will bring to employees. Identify and eliminate duplicate roles and responsibilities. Gradually phase out conflicting priorities and policies. So this would involve a top-down approach where the leadership team sets the direction and pace for the integration process. The centralized integration team would be responsible for ensuring that all departments are aligned and working towards the same goals. Number 2, employee-led integration. Empower cross-functional teams to lead the integration process. Provide training and resources to help employees navigate the change. Encourage open communication and collaboration across departments. Foster a culture of transparency and accountability. Recognize and reward employees who contribute to the integration process. So this involves giving employees a greater sense of ownership and control over the integration process by empowering cross-functional teams to lead the charge. Employees would be more likely to take an active role in shaping the future of the company. Number 3, hybrid integration. Establish a hybrid integration team consisting of both top-down and employee-led components. Define a clear vision and strategy for the integration process. Identify key stakeholders and engage them in the process. Develop a phased approach with incremental steps toward integration. So it's combined the benefits of both top-down and employee-led approaches. So by establishing a hybrid integration team, the company would be able to leverage the strength of both approaches. So this would provide a balance between structure and flexibility, allowing for adaptability while still maintaining a sense of direction and purpose. Evaluate each alternative course of action. First, clear communication. Advantages. Ensures all employees are informed and aligned, reducing uncertainty and misunderstanding. Helps address concerns promptly and builds transparency. Disadvantages. Requires consistent effort and resources to maintain effective communication. Poorly executed communication can lead to misinformation and increased anxiety. Feasibility. High feasibility if adequate resources are allocated for regular update and feedback channels. Require commitment from leadership to ensure messages are clear and frequent. So the second is shared vision. Advantages. aligns both companies toward common goals, fostering unity and cooperation, encourages employees to work together towards common purpose. Disadvantages: developing a shared vision can be challenging due to differing priorities and cultures, may require significant effort and time to achieve consensus. So feasibility. Feasible if top management is committed to defining and promoting unified vision. Success depends on effective leadership and willingness from both companies to embrace the new goals. So the last one is building trust and relationships. Advantages: enhances collaboration and reduces resistance by fostering positive interactions, builds a strong cohesive team capable of overcoming integration challenges. Disadvantages: trust building takes time and may not yield immediate results. Can be difficult if there is a history of conflict or mistrust between employees from the merging companies. Feasibility. Feasible with a structured approach and ongoing efforts to engage employees. Requires consistent investment in team building activities and support system to be effective. Recommend a course of action. To address the challenges of merging companies, it is crucial to implement a well-structured integration plan. Begin by establishing clear and consistent communication channels to keep all employees informed and engaged. Align the company's goals and priorities to create a unified vision and develop a comprehensive change management strategies to handle employee resistance and provide necessary support. Foster a positive culture by encouraging teamwork and collaboration between the merged teams. So finally, regularly monitor the integration process, gather feedback, and be prepared to make adjustments to address any emerging issues and ensure a smooth transition. The last steps is implementation and evaluation. To implement the integration plan, start by creating a detailed action plan with clear steps, deadlines, and assigned responsibilities. Begin by setting up regular communication, meetings within the first month to address employee concerns and align goals. Assign a team to develop and deliver change management training within the next 2 months. Foster team building activities to merge company cultures starting in the 3rd month. Allocate resources such as budget and support staff to manage these activities. Evaluate progress every month by collecting feedback and adjusting the plan as needed to address any ongoing issues and ensure successful integration. Caselet 97. Cross-cultural management. A multinational company is facing challenges in managing a culturally diverse workforce. What OD intervention can be applied to improve cross-cultural understanding and cooperation? So the problem or situation in this case, the multinational company is facing challenges in managing a culturally diverse workforce, leading to decreased productivity, increased conflicts, and difficulty in achieving its global goals. Contextualize, the company has large workforce with diverse cultural backgrounds working in various locations across the globe. The company's international expansion has led to cultural differences, language barriers, and varying work practices, which are affecting the overall performance of the organization. So the key internal stakeholders impacted by this issue are employees from diverse cultural backgrounds, management teams, and HR departments. The external stakeholders include customers, suppliers, and partners who interact with the company's employees from different cultural backgrounds. Analyze the situation. SWOT analysis. Strength. Diverse workforce with unique perspectives and skills. Global presence and opportunities for collaboration and knowledge sharing. Weaknesses. Lack of cultural awareness and sensitivity among employees. Language barriers and communication challenges. Difficulty in adapting to different work practices and customs. Opportunities. Increased productivity and creativity through diverse perspectives. Enhanced customer satisfaction through culturally sensitive services. Improved reputation as a culturally diverse and inclusive employer. Threats. Decreased employee engagement and motivation due to cultural differences. Negative impacts on business, performance, and reputation due to cultural misunderstanding. Difficulty in attracting and retaining top talent from diverse cultural backgrounds. So, competitive analysis, the company faces competition from other multinational companies that have successfully managed culturally diverse workforce. The competitors' strengths include their ability to leverage diverse perspectives, adapt to different cultures, and provide inclusive work environments. Develop alternative courses of action. The first one is cultural awareness training. Provide comprehensive training programs for all employees to enhance their cultural awareness and sensitivity. This includes workshops on cross-cultural communication, conflict resolution, and cultural differences. Number 2, employee resource groups. Establish employee resource groups for employees from different cultural backgrounds. These groups can provide a platform for employees to share their experiences, network, and support each other. So the last one is global leadership development. Develop a global leadership development program that focuses on cultural competence, leadership skills, and communication strategies. This program can help managers develop the skills needed to manage culturally diverse teams. Evaluate each alternative course of action. The first one is cultural awareness training. So the advantages are increased cultural awareness and sensitivity among employees, improved communication and collaboration among team members, enhanced employee engagement and motivation. Advantages: time-consuming training program, limited effectiveness if not followed up with regular refresher training. The feasibility is high. So number 2 is employee resource groups. The advantages are provides a platform for employees to share their experiences and support each other, foster a sense of community and belonging among employees from different cultural backgrounds, enhances employee engagement and motivation. So the disadvantages are may lead to segregation of employees from different cultural backgrounds, require significant resources to establish and maintain the ERGs. The feasibility is medium. So the last one is global leadership development. The advantages are develops leaders who are culturally competent and aware, enhances leadership skills and communication strategies, improves employee engagement and motivation. The disadvantages are time-consuming training program, limited effectiveness if not followed up with regular coaching and feedback. The feasibility is high. Recommend a course of action. Based on the evaluation, I recommend implementing the number 1 cultural awareness training as the first steps. This will help increase cultural awareness and sensitivity among the employees, which will then lead to improved communication and collaboration among team members. Additionally, this program can be followed up with regular refresher training to ensure that employees retain the knowledge that is gained. Last step is implementation and evaluation. Action plan number 1. Conduct a needs assessment to identify the gaps in cultural awareness among employees. Number 2, develop a comprehensive training program that includes workshops on cross-cultural communication, conflict resolution, and cultural differences. Number 3, implement the training program for all employees. Number 4, monitor progress and effectiveness of the program through regular feedback sessions. Monitoring and evaluation. So the first one is track employee engagement and motivation through surveys and focus groups. Number 2, measure the effectiveness of the training program through quizzes and assessments. Number 3, evaluate the impact of the program on employee behavior and performance through regular feedback sessions. And the last one is adjust the program as needed based on feedback from the employees. And that would be all. Thank you.